best remodeling contractors in San Ramon, construction remodeling in Bay Area. Looking for the best remodeling contractors in San Ramon? Look no further than construction remodeling in Bay Area. We're known for our quality work and customer satisfaction. Are you looking for the best remodeling contractors in San Ramon? If so, you've come to the right place. Construction remodeling in Bay Area is well known for our quality work and customer satisfaction. With decades of experience, we are confident that we can help bring your vision to life. Let's take a look at what makes us stand out from the competition. Quality workmanship. When it comes to home renovations, we at Construction Remodeling in Bay Area know that quality workmanship is vital. We strive to ensure that everything is completed with accuracy and attention to detail because we take pride in our craftsmanship. To ensure that all of your needs are satisfied and the final product lives up to your expectations, our team of skilled professionals will work closely with you. We rose to the top of the remodeling contractors in San Ramon in part because of this. Competitive prices. The majority of people are on a budget when it comes to home renovations, so as remodeling contractors, we offer our services at reasonable prices. We work hard to keep our costs low while still producing results of the finest quality. Construction remodeling in the Bay Area has the knowledge and resources required to complete the job correctly while staying within your budget. Whether you're looking for a clear and simple bathroom or kitchen remodel or a full-scale renovation of your entire house. Customer satisfaction. At Construction Remodeling in Bay Area, customer satisfaction is always our top priority. Our team of experienced professionals will work closely with you throughout the entire process to ensure that all your needs are met and that the finished product meets your expectations. We also strive to maintain open communication during every step of the process so there are no surprises along the way. When it's time to remodel your home, rely on Construction Remodeling in Bay Area for top-notch work, affordable prices, and unmatched customer service. We have the skills necessary to realize your vision without going over budget thanks to our years of experience. Make an appointment for a free consultation today to get going. You'll be glad you did it.